Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you along for a room tour of my Tower Standard View room in Grand Destino Tower at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. The Grand Destino Tower was added to Disney's Coronado Springs Resort in 2019 and it is absolutely beautiful. It has a modernism flair, beautiful architecture and artistic touches, wonderful dining options, and a view of Epcot fireworks from Dahlia Lounge. This really gives Grand Destino Tower an upscale vibe while still being family friendly. In fact, the entire resort underwent a major renovation, so many areas of the resort are brand new and they've done a beautiful job. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kayla. I share travel and lifestyle content with the goal of helping you and your families have amazing vacations filled with memories that will last a lifetime. Be sure to subscribe, ring that notification bell so you know when I post additional videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it while you're watching. It really does help support my channel. And without further ado, let's go check out the room. Okay, so we are all checked in. We are going to go to the 8th floor. So we just press 8. And it says to use elevator B. So we're gonna get in elevator B. And the elevator does the rest. We've made it to our room, room 849. So we're gonna go ahead and head in. Just scan your magic band. And you'll walk into a large entryway. We've got several suitcases and bags just sitting here in the entryway. So it is quite a large entryway. This may be a good spot if you've got a toddler to set up their crib or pack and play. Next, you'll see, at least in our room to the right, there is a large sliding door. And be sure to try and find the hidden Mickey. I don't know if you can see this cute little guy. And so then next to the right is the bathroom. So you can see here, there's a beautiful shower, and you can also see that there is a large vanity, double sinks, plenty of storage underneath both of those sinks. I really love that there is a backlit mirror. In a separate area, there is the restroom with its own sliding door. And I just wanted to show you the shower again from this perspective. So beautiful. And then I love over here, you've got your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Not to mention, we are staying in a tower room, standard view. So as you walk over this way, you have a large set of dresser drawers. This is where your safe is going to be located. Ironing board. A little Conair steam iron, so that's a nice perk if you need to steam any clothes. They do hold a lot of conferences here, so I think that's a nice touch. And then you have your safe, your hangers, and your extra pillow and blanket. And these are the beautiful 2 queen beds. And over on this wall you have a really neat mirror. And then you transition over this way, and you have the first thing that I'll mention is like a nice little bench to set any furniture that you may have. And then you have this long credenza and dresser area with shelves. You've got your Keurig with your coffee and your tea. You've got a chair here with a desk lamp, plenty of space to work. 3 large dresser drawers, got a chair and a lamp. And then let's take a look at our view. Again, we're on the 8th floor. You can request to be on a higher floor to see Epcot or Hollywood Studios. From our room, we can actually see Hollywood Studios right there. I don't know if you can tell, but that is Tower of Terror right there. And we can also see Star Wars Galaxy's Edge over this way. So I am happy with our view. I think it's really neat. And then up on the 16th floor, you can also view the fireworks from Epcot. And then this is the room from view from the window. Such a beautiful room. They've done an amazing job. Coronado Springs is considered a moderate resort, but it has the tower has a very deluxe feel. Did want to mention, I noticed as we were unpacking, which I think is really nice, the beds are raised, so you can have, you have tons of storage underneath the beds for all of your luggage to get things out of the way. So we just discovered a really cool feature, at least we think it's really cool. So when you go to the side of the bed, you can pull these open and they are little night lights. There's one on each side. Pretty neat.
I hope you enjoyed this room tour. When it comes to room categories, I actually recommend a standard view over a preferred view at Grand Destino Tower. Not only is it less expensive, but you might be facing Epcot or Disney's Hollywood Studios, which is really neat, especially at night. I also recommend requesting a higher floor for a better view. I will have all of the vlogs from this trip linked below, so be sure to check those out. If you have any questions about this room or Grand Destino Tower at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and become a member of our amazing YouTube community here at Main Street Through Your Eyes. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!